Next, we're going to do step 4. We're going to slide the chiller into its final position, and we're going to install this chiller valve. So just slide in your chiller into position. Make sure it goes all the way, basically all the way. It's going to go all the way, touch the side, and all the way to the right and touch the side, okay? And next, you're going to install this chiller valve on this top one. That's what we're going to install it on. There is tape. Make sure to remove the tape, and make sure that this is going to be facing down right here. And you're going to actually this one right here, and you're going to connect it just by screwing it together. Okay. Perfect. Okay, yeah, you just screw it in right here, the valve, and it comes out of this exit hole right here. As you're doing step 4, you want to look at your clearance. Here we have a wall. We have about 12 inches here and about 12 inches inside, which is the minimum of clearance that we need up against the wall, because the fan will be blowing warm air out and you need to have clearance. So make sure not to put this against any wall or you will suffocate the unit. In addition, you want to make sure that there's some space here and space here, some clearance, because the chiller, when the fan is on, it needs fresh air to go into the chiller and pass it through. This is the only way our chiller runs efficiently and effectively. So now as you're completing your step number 4, this is your final moment to make sure that the frame and the filtration system is going to be in the final space. After you're finished with step 5, it will be very difficult to maneuver and move this around. So make sure as you conclude your step 4, double check your clearance, double check everything where this is, because this is the place it's going to live in. As you can see, we've adjusted the space and clearance to give ourselves even more space for ventilation. We are indoors, so this room will get a little warm, and we wanted to make sure that the chiller was set up for success in the whole system.